Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Obviously I have been shopping. Listen, I just want to tell you, have you ever heard the statement, golf is a time-consuming and a very expensive game, so be smart about it. So with that being said, when I went to university, one of the students, he was going to the same university because you got free golf. He told me, always be wise. So I am. Now that I'm doing the gardening seriously, and as usual, all the time, I'm a very smart shopper. So a lot of times if we're not starting them by seeds, we're just talking about buying, I buy a lot of clearance plants. These were clearance plants. We're getting another frost and a couple got injured a little bit. Didn't bother me. I think I paid $1.50 per 8-pack. So that was great. Here's another thing I'm talking about. Smart shopping. My daughter's always laughing. So I always go to this nursery. It's only open 3 times a year. And they grow their own stuff. So like I said, most big nurseries don't thin. It's the same with them. So I paid $2.50 for the black containers, $1.50 for the blue, and $2 for the yellow. Well, some of these are $4 to $6 at just the regular nursery. But what I do is I go there to save money. I separate them. Now, before I do that, also, when you go shopping, look for roots. You want to get a healthy plant when you're shopping. So let me show you. So here's some celery that I didn't start from seed. Just like the basil thing, there's actually several in here that I could just separate. What a mess, I just cleaned the table. So I could get 3 plants out of here and pot them. So 3 separate plants. And this was the yellow. So for $2 I got 3 plants. Okay, here's, I always say this, plumbago. It's a beautiful flower that we're gonna do. It's for the sun. Okay, this one, see all the roots on here? So I know this is a healthy plant. Almost everything from this nursery is pretty good. So here, I have 2 plants here. And these are $6 other places. They're smaller. Then, if I really wanted to, since we have 3 weeks before these could go out, I could cut these and root some of them, which I'm going to. And the same, now lavender, I love lavender. Well, I'm gonna separate this and I'll show you, but I think I could get 5 out of here. And tarragon. While I started some from seed, I wanted to get this kind of for the video. So there's like 6 in here. Let me separate these and show you for $9 what you could get. All right, I finished. So I got, out of the whole thing, 7 tarragon, 2 plumbagos, which are perennials, by the way. So are the tarragons. 2 lavenders. I thought there was 3 or 4, but it was too hard and I don't want to break lavender. They're really finicky, but they're a great size. Actually, this is a perennial too. And then I have 3 celery, which is not a perennial, but the groundhog loves it. Now, let's just recap. Just be smart when you go shopping. Look for ones with roots. And I have a video from last year where I separated like tons. I couldn't believe it. So I'll put that on there. And I always look for roots because that means the nursery took the time and really got the roots going. That means a stronger plant. And then when you plant them, you're just going to pull this off, but the rest has roots. Also, when you go shopping, don't look for plants that are humongous because necessarily that is not the best plant. A lot of times they have no roots. They were forced to grow really quickly. And also look for pest and everything. Look for yellowing and stuff like that. But you could really afford to buy a lot of plants. That way you save your money for the really special ones you want. And I shop all year. But this is just a helpful hint on smart shopping. Go out and go pick out your plants. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Please thumbs up, share, and tell all your friends. It really helps when you tell your friends. And that's it. Bye.
All right, I got dragged on here because of my ideal. Another option is if you have a friend, one friend could buy one plant, the other could buy the other, separate them, and then share each plant. And that'll save you guys even more money.